Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Warhammer 40k Darktide error, and the error is failed joining server, error code 3013. So if you're getting this error in Warhammer 40k Darktide game, then here follow the fixes very carefully mentioned in this video. So the first fix is to exit right Vanguard. So if you play the games like Valorant or League of Legends, the Vanguard anti-cheat can trigger this error. So right click Vanguard in your system tray, choose exit Vanguard, and then try launching Darktide game again and check. So click on this arrow icon in the system tray. Here you will see the right Vanguard. Right click on it and then select exit Vanguard, and then click on yes to confirm to exit it. And then you can go ahead relaunch the Darktide game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to close overlay or hooks program. So temporarily disable backgrounds app like Riva Tuner, Shadow Play, Fraps or Reset app, and then after closing them, go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to clear app data. So close Darktide game and Steam and make sure it isn't running in your task manager as well. Then go to Steam library, right click on Darktide, select properties, and then turn off Steam Cloud Saves. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer 40k Darktide game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And here you will see the Steam Cloud. Just turn it off. And after turning off Steam Cloud Saves, press Windows key plus R button to open the run box. And in the run box, type %app data% and click OK. Then navigate to app data roaming fartsark and then delete the Darktide folder. Now please take a note. Deleting the Darktide folder will also reset your key bindings and graphical settings. And after deleting the Darktide folder, you can go ahead relaunch Steam and then select verify integrity of game files via the game's properties menu, and then you can launch the game and check. So press Windows plus R button. Here type %app data% and then click on OK. Now here open the fartsark folder, and here you will find the Darktide folder. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Then open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer 40k Darktide game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead launch the Darktide game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to disable NVIDIA Reflex low latency in video options. So launch the Darktide game, then go to the settings and then go to the video tab and then turn off NVIDIA Reflex low latency. So if NVIDIA Reflex low latency is enabled, then you have to click on this drop down and select disabled, then apply the changes, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 5 is to turn off enable portrait rendering in interface options. So again go to the game settings, and here you will see the interface option. Click on this, and under the other settings you will see enable portrait rendering. Just turn it off and then apply the changes, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can also try the fix 6, that is you can connect to mobile hotspot. So try connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot and then launch the game and check if your problem is gone or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. and then connect to a different region, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Warhammer 40k Darktide game error, failed joining server, error code 3013 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.